One of the most celebrated summertime foods in Korea is chicken and ginseng soup, known as Samgyetang. While it might be strange to eat a piping hot chicken stuffed with vegetables, glutinous rice and ginseng in the midst of summer, it is surprisingly refreshing in the hot summer heat. You will find lines out of the door of every restaurant serving this dish on the 3 hottest days of the year: Chobok, Yeongbok and Malbok. At Kuryeo Samgyetang near City Hall, this local favourite is known for its clear chicken broth and high-grade ginseng. The chicken flesh falls apart as soon as you touch it with your chopsticks, and the broth pairs well with a fresh green onion, kimchi and a shot of ginseng wine. This amazing treat is Chowzter's Tastiest Bird in Asia for 2015. The Olgage Samgyetang at Kuryeo Samgyetang was nominated by Dan Gray, Chief Chowzter for Seoul.